In this video, we are going to learn how to get shareholding pattern that is available on Screener's website into Google Sheet. So let's get started. First, we will understand how to get that shareholding pattern data from Screener's website. Then we are going to learn how to frame formula for getting each of this information that is representing shareholding patterns of promoters, FIIs, DIIs, government, public, etc. Very first thing is we need to grab this information into Google Sheet. So we have two tabs. One is formula, the second one is tracking. In the formula tab, we are going to learn how to frame formula for this parameter individually. Then we are going to apply that formula here. And we can create a tracking tab where we can track multiple scripts which are placed in this column. So the formula is very simple. We use this import HTML. We write here import HTML. We specify the URL is in this C5 cell, which is this one. And we have locked the column C because when we are going to write that formula in this tracking sheet, when we copy formula from one cell to another, the C column will remain locked. So you write this formula, import HTML. Then our query is for table and table number is 10. So we need to just do trial and error to find out that shareholding pattern table has which number. So I found that it is number 10. So we write that formula here and we'll get this result, which is exactly what is present on this screener's website. Now what we want is that we want to grab this information individually. So which is say promoters holding here, then FIIs holding here, which is present here. In the same way we have information for other parameters. Now to frame that formula, we place here column numbers for this data. So this whole table is starting from here. So we say column number 1 till column number 13. So the information we are looking for is in column number 13 and the criteria with which we are going to do matching is in column number 1. So that's why we have written here column numbers. Now let's frame formula for this promoters holding. So we want to get this result into this cell. So let's see formula for that. So the formula is, let me show that formula. We are applying query formula and we consider data that is present from D5, which is this one, till P, any number of rows. So you can see that this is highlighted. As I move this cursor, you will see that now you can see that region is highlighted. So from that data, the query I am firing is that select. Now I want to select from column number 13. You can see here. First I am writing formula for promoters holding. So we say that select from column number 13 where column number 1's value, that is this column, this is column number 1 whose value is equal to this, which is this D3. So let me show that in D3 I have written that promoters plus, which we just copy from here and paste it into this. So you can see that formula, and here we have locked this D3 cell. Here we have locked D3. The locking is on row number because all my constants are present here. So as I move, this should remain locked. So in the same way we can see formula for other parameters. We have to just do copy paste here. Let me remove this formula and I simply say Control C and Control V. So you can see that we are able to get result here. Now the next thing that we have to do is we copy formula, any one formula, say for promoters holding, we copy this formula and we are going to paste it into tracking sheet. But we are not going to do direct copy paste. You have to understand that this whole table, fetch this whole table here. Now in the formula, we are not going to refer it. So what we are going to do? What is the meaning of this range? So this range actually represents the output of import HTML. So you can see it here. So this formula we are going to place in place of this data. In place of this, we are going to place that import formula. And that's what exactly we have done in the tracking sheet. So you can see here the query. But this part we have replaced with this import HTML. And remaining things are same. And then we just do copy paste here and we'll be able to get the result. On Tata Steel's shareholding pattern, we have these parameters, but for certain scripts there may not be government's holding. So for example, we'll see that for Wipro there is no government holding, but for Wipro there is a parameter called others plus. So that's why I have written here others plus. Now what we are going to do is we are going to test it for, say, Wipro, for example. So we just say Control C and Control V, and you'll see that result is available very quickly. Now let us verify, say that why government holding is not available. So let's copy this formula, paste it here, go to shareholding patterns. Yes, you can see that here there is no government holding, but there is a holding with the name others plus, and that is what we are able to get it here, 0.11, which is this one. Hope you will be able to use this information in your tracking sheet. So let me know in the comment section how this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching and happy learning. We'll see you in some other interesting video.